Welcome to this tutorial of the Linking website. Linking is a platform that allows professionals to sell their free time by the hour and allows customers to search for these professionals, whether it be for advice or for help with a project. What we have here is the main landing page for the website. Right at the top, we see a navigation bar, which has the home text, the logo for the company, accompanied by two CTAs for login and sign up. The main heading has a bit of animation. It iterates through all the professionals we have available on the website right now. The second section features all these professionals as little user cards. So as each time the word changes, certain professionals are displayed on the website. Scrolling down, we can see a little summary of the website for a professional or a customer, accompanied by another sign-up CTA. Now, right at the bottom, we have a little, what we would call a quick summary for each user. This website has two main users, or two users, a professional or a customer. So clicking the professional CTA will display a little summary of what's to expect as a professional, followed by the professional sign-up CTA. This will make more sense once we go through the sign-up flow. And again, clicking the customer does the same thing. Obviously, the summaries are a bit different because both professionals and customers are very different users. Let's go and sign up as a professional. Again, gives you a little summary of the criteria for a professional. So what we're going to do is we're just going to sign up. There are certain error handlers here, which I'll just mention. For example, you can't sign up with an entire empty field. We're going to sign up as a user. Right. Again, you can't have two users with the same username nor with the same email. If the passwords don't match, all of these display certain errors. Now we've successfully signed up. We're just going to go into a login page. We're going to log in as a professional and we're simply going to log in. This takes you to the professional home page. The differences between this and the landing page are the navigation of different CTAs, and all the content is very different. First of all, we see a booking page CTA. When I mentioned that professionals can sell their free time, this is what I mean. They can add bookings, which can be booked by customers, and then they can have a Zoom meeting. Followed by a search bar. This welcomes the user to the website, and this posts 4 jobs per field, and all the fields are available on the website. So a user can directly apply here. We're just going to apply for this job. Takes us back to the home page, and it gives you a little green success applied message. Now, maybe you're not interested in all the jobs that are available here. Clicking the law title would bring up all the jobs for that certain field, who it's posted by, what the description is, and what the job name is. So we're just going to apply for the first 2, and we'll just show you the update over here. Now you've applied, sorry. The search bar, you can search directly for a job. So we're just going to search for this first job. So web dev, I'm just going to give it a little search, and it takes out the job for you. Now we're just going to apply, go back to the home page, and you've applied. Again, you can search for the field which displays all the jobs. There we go, all the jobs are displayed, and I'm just going to apply for this job. As you can see, I have applied. Now let's go on to the booking page. This opens in a new tab. This allows a user to select a day they're free between Monday and Friday, select a time in the 24-hour format. This means I'm going to be available at noon, and I'm just going to add it. Adding this instantaneously gives you a little booking box with the time, with whether a user has booked it or not, and the option to delete. So we're just going to go ahead and delete that. I'm not free on a Monday. I'm actually free at noon on a Tuesday. We're just going to add this. There we go. Right. Now let's go on to the profile page. As you can see here, it gives you a little cover photo followed by welcome and the username. Now, once we go into the update profile page, we'll be able to change this as well. Let's go into my work. So for a new user who's not aware of what the My Work page does, we give a little message to them that you've not been selected for any jobs. Yes, you've applied, but you haven't been selected for any jobs. And it also gives you the option to apply for more jobs, which then again takes you to the home page. Now, if we go to the update profile page, again, the booking page CTA is here. You're going to update your profile and you'll see why we put the booking page there, but it's easier for the user to access this rather than go back to the home page and add another booking. We can also change the profile picture. So we're just going to choose this. Just going to upload this JPEG and there we go. We've updated. Followed by personal information. So I'm just going to put in my name and we're just going to leave this number as it is and we're just going to save. Now, when we open this up again, we can see that it's changed to an update CTA. Now, if I change my first name as new user and I update, this will update the record. How are we going to see whether it's updated or not? We're just going to go to the profile page and you can see that the first name has changed. I'm just going to go back and change this again. Right here. And there we go. It's changed. And it also displays the profile picture. Now let's go back to the home page. And what we're going to do is we're just going to log out. Logging out takes you to the login page, but we don't want to log in. We want to sign up as a new customer. Right, we're going to say customer user. Again, this has the same error handlers as the professional sign up screen. Oopsie daisy. We're not going to use a strong password. We're just going to use a basic one. And we're going to sign up. Yes, please. Right. Now let's log in as a customer. Right. Now it takes us to the customer homepage. Again, the navigation bar is exactly the same as the professional homepage. And the changes are, it's got a post to job CTA, which we'll do right now. We've got a search bar as well. We've got another welcome banner. Now, this section gives the user, all the new users that have recently signed up to the website. Now, this is the user we just created, so we're just going to click on. Again, takes us to a new tab. It displays the information of the user with their profile picture, and it gives you the opportunity to book a meeting with them. Now, this will display all the meetings that they've added. As we've only added a meeting for Tuesday, I'm just going to book the meeting. Booking the meeting will change the CTA to a Zoom meeting. We haven't been able to embed Zoom into the website due to a lot of documentation and a live and a QA URL needed. So for now, we've just given a dummy CTA, which actually does take you to the Zoom website, which is great. We're going to go back to the home page. After the users, we've got latest jobs posted. Now, these are jobs posted by any user. And yeah, the last section we have is posted by me. This is going to be blank for now because this user has not posted any jobs. So let's just go ahead and do that. We're going to put in a helping hand and anyone. And we're going to put this in the medical field and we're just going to post. You can see you've been given a little successful message. We're going to go back to the home page, scroll down, and as you can see, the job has been posted by me. This will also take you to the job posted page in the user's profile. So we're just going to click this and it'll just take us here. And we're actually going to search for something as well. So you can search directly for a user. So let's search for a user I have previously created. Right? It brings up the user's card. You can send an email directly to them. Just going to close that. It displays their field and it gives you the opportunity to go to their profile page. We point a lot of data for this user. So again, we can do the same thing. We can book meetings. So I booked 2 meetings for 12. I booked another meeting for Thursday, and I booked another meeting for Thursday. Now we're going to close this because it's a new tab, and we're going to go to the customer profile page. Now the customer profile page is the same. It's got a cover photo followed by a welcome message. Now if we go into jobs posted, we'll be able to see three little options. Now ongoing jobs represents jobs you've already selected applicants for. Applicants are all the jobs that people have applied for. So we'll see that flow when we actually apply for the job posted by this user. And all jobs displays all the jobs that you've posted, regardless of whether you've chosen someone or you haven't. Now, if we go to the meetings page, we'll be able to see the meetings that we booked. Now, as we booked meetings for 12 with 2 different users, that's displayed. And the other meetings we've booked. Again, the Zoom meeting will take you to a new page. Take you to the Zoom website. So we're just going to cancel these meetings because we're not going to look at this user, we're going to look at this user. Again, clicking this will take you to the user's profile page so you can book more meetings or you can see when they're available again. So we're going to log out and we're going to go log in as a professional again. And it was gold 123. Rightio. And what we're going to do is we're going to search, we're actually just going to go into IT and, sorry, medicine, my bad. I'm going to go into medicine and we can see this is a job that was posted by the user. We're simply just going to apply. Right, we've applied. Let's just show you, let's just show you the booking page from here. As you can see, the user has applied for this. We can delete the post or we can just go and meet the user. So we're just going to log out. We're going to go into the customer login again. We're going to log in as, gold user. We're going to go to the profile page. We're going to go to jobs posted. We're going to go to applicants, and there we go. This has finally shown up because someone has actually applied for the job. Now, if we go to applicants, we can see the job, the description, and the user that's applied for it. Now, you have a few options here. You can either have a meeting with the user that's applied just to make sure you know who you're giving the job to. You can choose to reject the user, or you can choose to say yes. So we're just going to say yes because we trust the guy. Now, if we go into ongoing jobs, you can see that this job is now ongoing. We've selected a user finally. The applicant is displayed here. Again, you can go to their profile page and you've got a little Zoom meeting link here. The last bit that I want to show you now is if we go in as a professional, which was gold 123, and we go to their profile page. We go to my work. You can see that the job is finally displayed here. This is the job that they've been selected for, and they can go straight into a Zoom meeting. Really hope you enjoy this quick little demo. If there are any questions, do let us know. The report does really explain everything that goes on behind the scenes, and we hope to see you soon on linking. Take care.